Hello everyone, in this video I will show you what is stateless and stateful widget. So let's start the video. Click on the leave new and dot file and give its name stateless and stateful screen and click on enter. So the new screen are created and just write the S, the stateless class will create it and give its name, and here we will write the scaffold. And now copy this name and call it from the main. So add its library and now write the body, and I am writing the text stateless widget. So this is the stateless widget. Make it in center. Yeah, so this is the example of stateless widget. You can see this is the simple text and this is a stateless widget. Now let's go to the another example. Icon, favorite, size 100, control is. So this is the another example of stateless widget. Now click on this and convert it to stateful widget. Now we will write here the bool is clicked is equal to false, is colored, sorry, remove this, sorry, we will add the color is color question mark red color, else if it is clicked then it will have the red color, else they will have the black 12 color. Now they are false. You can see they are not clicked and their value are false, so they have a black 12 color. Now click on the icon, wrap with the widget gesture detector, untap, set state is color. It means if it's click then it will have red color, and if it's click again then it will have a black 12 color. Now you can see I'm clicking them and its color are changing, selected and unselected. They will have a red color if it's selected, and they will have black color if it's not selected. Now you can see the color are working fine. I means this is an example of stateful widget. Now let's move to the another example, text field. You can see the state are changed, so it means this is stateful widget. If the screen are constant and there are no changes, so they are stateless widget, and if there are some changes on the screen, so it means they are stateful widget. Thank you.